Hey all, Mr. Russell here to go over question number 4 with you. So we are graphing this system of inequalities. So we're going to treat it like two separate questions. We're going to graph each inequality by itself and then see where the shaded regions overlap for those two. Okay, so for the first one, try to keep it clear for you guys. I'm going to do the first one in blue. Okay, so we have y is greater than or equal to 2/3 x minus 2. Okay, so start by treating it like slope-intercept form. So I want to show first where it crosses the y-axis. So it's at the point 0, -2, right? That minus 2 is its y-intercept. So I'm going to put a point at -2, okay? And then its slope is 2/3. So from this point, we're going to go up 2 over 3. 1, 2, 3. Up 2, 1, 2, over 3. 1, 2, 3. Now comes the fun part with the inequalities. Okay, we have to decide what type of line to use and if we shade above or below that line. So in this case, y is greater than or equal to. That or equal to part is what tells us to use a solid line. So I'm going over here to my line drawing tool. Okay, and we're going to draw a line. Oh, why is it dashed? Don't want a dash line. Let's make that a solid line, and I'll make it blue for you guys. Okay. And we decide which way to shade. So it's greater than or equal to. So since it's greater than, we want to shade above the line. So I'm going to go ahead and use a highlighter for you guys to try to really show you where the overlap region is going to end up being. Okay, so I'll do this one in, I guess, yellow. Now I'll do it in blue. Really get the highlighted part in there for you guys. All right, so here's our first one. Now for the next one. Okay, so we're going to graph this line. I'll put it in red. So y is less than -2/3 x plus 3. Again, looking at its y-intercept, it's crossing at the point 0, 3. So that's up here. Put a point there. Slope of -3/2. So I'm going down 3. 1, 2, 3 to the right 2. 1, 2. Down 3. 1, 2, 3 to the right 2. Okay, so there's that line. And now I can decide what type of line to use. So since it's less than and not equal to, we're going to use a dash line. Okay, so we have to use a, oh, there we go, dash line. And I'm going to make it red. All right, now let's decide which way we shade. So it's less than, so we want to shade below the line. So we're going to look at where that line crosses the y-axis, and we're going to shade below it. Okay, so it's crossing over here at +3, so I want to shade down this way. So we're going to shade over here. Everything in this region. Okay, and the reason I use these colors, guys, is so you can see where the overlap region is. So what's in green was the portion of our graph that was shaded by both the blue line and our red line. So, excuse me, when it comes to actually writing a solution now, there isn't just one solution to this inequality. It's any point in the shaded region. So pick any point in here. Okay, make it 0, 0. The origin would work. -1, 2, 1, 0. Right? I believe on my answer key, I wrote down the point -4, 3. Okay, but that is certainly not the only solution to that one. All right, that is all for question number 4.